I lost my girlfriend to her cat.
What happened?
My girlfriend insists that her cat must stay indoors, but growing up, my cats were always allowed outside.
Sounds like the cat wants some freedom.
When my girlfriend goes to work, I've been letting the cat out and bringing her back in before she gets home.
That seems reasonable.
On Sunday night, I went to get the cat inside but couldn't find her in time. When my girlfriend got home, she immediately asked where the cat was.
How did she react?
She started crying. We found the cat in the garage shortly after, dead. Looks like it had been beaten. Then she started yelling about wanting to break up with me.
That sounds tense.
Most people I've talked to think I'm the jerk here, but I believe she's overreacting. It's like she thinks I harmed her cat on purpose.